Is your printer only printing on the top half or bottom half of the page and leaving the rest blank? This is more common than you'd think, and the fix usually takes less than 5 minutes. Here's what's causing it and how to solve it. When your printer only prints half a page, it's almost always a paper size mismatch, a software setting issue, or a paper feed problem. Fix number 1. Check your paper size settings. Open your document, go to File, then Print, and click Printer Properties or Preferences. Make sure the paper size matches what you actually have loaded, usually letter in the US or A4 in most other countries. A mismatch causes the printer to cut off content. Fix number 2. Check your page scaling settings. In the Print dialog, look for a Fit to Page or Scale option. If it's set to a custom size or percentage, change it to fit the actual page. Fix number 3. Clean or realign the paper guides. Open your printer's paper tray and make sure the guides are snugged up against the paper. Not too tight, not too loose. Misaligned guides cause the paper to feed crooked. Fix number 4. Run a print head alignment. On inkjet printers, go to Maintenance in your printer software and run an alignment test. This recalibrates how the printer positions content on the page. For ink deals up to 70% off and top-rated printers, visit CastleInk at the link in the description.